use this one. We make another bangle. I use the gold as well. This is a memory wire. It is different from copper wire, not easy out of shape. Here. Thank you, Jessica. Yes, you can order from web shop. We are not going to claim now. Hi, Zava. Happy to see you. Okay. So it's here. Then we are going to use the beads, put it at the end. We glue it first. Yeah, Jessica, if you want the beads, you can order from the web shop. Yeah, add to shopping cart. Okay. Here. Then we'll put the beads at the end, glue. Yeah. So here this way. Then we are going to make it by the copper wire. By copper wire, not by the spring. Yeah. If you feel interested to put it by the spring to rubber, it also work. Yeah, it also work. I'm here to show you red and the gold here. Let's try to use the spring. Okay, I get a new spring here. Then we are with this one. Cut it 50 centimeter. Here. One, two, three. Okay. What size are the spacer beads? Spacer beads is 2 millimeter. 3 millimeter. 3 millimeter the spacer. When should you use super glue or resin? Like this kind of the design or memory wire bangle, it can be used the resin or super glue, both okay. Yeah. Hi DEE. Jamie, it can use both glue, but here because I'm go live, I need to show the customer the bangle faster, so I use super glue. But if you are do the business, you want the bangle, the quality, the glue more stronger, more safe, you can use the resin glue here to keep it, but just dry more. Just dry is slow. Yeah, it take more time to dry, but I'm go live here. I needed to let the glue dry faster, so that's why I use the super glue. But super glue here is also strong, but compared to resin glue, I prefer resin glue. Yeah. Here. We have a lot of new people. Can you show how to make a spring? Okay. I'm here to show you how to make a spring later today. After I finish this bangle, I'm going to show you. Oh, yes. Rondia, you said you asked for the children. Yes, thank you. It's the live one. Can I review again your video? Dear Christine, if you want to see my video again, you can go to my TikTok page. TikTok page with a lot of free tutorials. Yeah, in my TikTok page, you will find more than 500 free tutorials, my dear. Yeah. Okay, so here we see how to rub this bangle. Oh, before here, let me see. I show people how to make a spring first. Yeah, some friends thank you. Yes, some friends interested in how I making the spring. This one that I used to making all the bangle here. Yeah. First, I will use a piece of the wire. This wire actually is is different from this copper wire. This is the steel wire, so they are different. It's hard. It cannot be bent. Okay, then we will use this copper wire here. This one. Okay. First, we are wrap the piece of the wire on this hard steel wire. Okay. Wrap about 5 millimeter now. Okay. Then we put it here. It's a mini gel machine. Okay. This way. And tight. And tight it. Okay. Then here, let me show you. This is a machine like this. Yeah. Here. Then here we can gel it. Okay. No elastic. Oh, here. 没电了. Okay, this is just the way how I make, but this one power off.
有图片过那个 Mary。
哦，好的 ，power off. Okay, I need to charge it. Yeah. Okay, just this way. Okay, 没电了。Okay, charge it, and this is just the way that I making the spring. Yeah. Okay. Here and here. Okay, so got it the way. That's how we make it. And if I want to make it so much longer, I just use a long wire and do it longer. Yeah, how we make it is this the way. If you are interested, you can try it by yourself. We are a shop that shall with you about the. Okay, then let's continue for here. You are not so good at making this kind of the design, Laura. Okay, here. Bangle. Okay, so again to make let's start to twist. We are not going to wrap a lot, but some of them, yeah. A little bit here. Then here the spring like this. Actually, we can do in this way. To pull the spring, make it a little bit loose. Pull it a little bit loose. Here's the way. Then we can put the beads one by one. Here. This way. Here. One more bead. Wrap it. Here. And wrap it. So This is how we, and also Della sells ready-made spring. Yes, we sell the ready-made spring. Yeah, thank you. We are a shop sell the supplies for jewelry making. We sell a lot of supplies, the chains, the beads, the spring, and the memory wire bangle. We all sell them. Here, again, the beads. And share with you the DIY idea how to making the jewelry by ourselves. Okay, here, then we pull the wire loose. Okay. Here. This one. And we can pull it loose. Okay. Okay. Yeah, the red stone we are making here. Then between two beads, I will wrap 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's here. This one. I'll put here. Again, I'll put who taught you make jewelry when you first start? Dear, because I worked in a jewelry factory more than 10 years. Yeah, so it's just experience, and we will need to develop a lot of the different technique and the different jewelry for the customer. So I see the worker make it, and I love handmade as well. So I try sometimes by myself. Okay. Thank you. And then pull the wire straight here. Go through here. Fold. Rubber. Pull the wire straight here. Rubber. Rubber. Okay, and again, 2 pieces of the beads. Here. Thank you. Yeah. Or if friends you are interested in handmade the jewelry, you can come to my live streaming every day. I share every day the way how to making jewelry, and I sell the chains, sell the wire, the charm, the beads, everything. So if you are interested, you come and learn here. If you are already a small business owner, you are already very good at jewelry making, maybe here will be inspiring you some new ideas. Yeah, some new ideas inspiring you. So you can come to my TikTok page or my live here, wrapper, and again pull the wire loose. Okay. Here. This way. Here. Here. Again. Here. Here. Wrapper. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then here it can be finished. Do you use the 0.4 wire to make a spring? Rondia, yes. Use the 0.4 make the spring, yes. Okay. Okay, here we can cut. Okay. Glue, super glue here. Okay. Let it tight. Why I do like this? The purpose is let these beads the position not move, then let it dry. So this is the bangle. I feel this red making the bangle much with red color looks very expensive look. Yeah. Gold with this red make it so nice.